Does your iPhone keep showing the slide to stop screen every time your alarm goes off, and you want to remove it completely and get back the normal stop button layout? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn off the slide to stop alarm feature on your iPhone, so your alarm stops working like a shutdown screen and goes back to a normal alert. I'm currently on my home screen, and let's start by opening the settings page. Then select the accessibility option that's located right under the general section. Our job now is to click on this touch button in the physical and motor section. Once you're inside this menu, scroll a little bit down until you see an option called Prefer Single Touch Actions. This setting is the reason your alarm is showing that weird slide to stop screen instead of the regular stop button. When this option is turned on, your iPhone tries to replace sliding gestures with simple taps. That also affects the alarm screen, which is why it forces the slide to stop action every time it rings. So all you have to do is turn this switch on. The moment you enable it, your iPhone will switch to the new alarm layout, the one where you need to slide to stop the alarm instead of tapping buttons. Just make sure this switch is turned on to activate the feature.